Hello children, today I am showing you one project that is related to art integrated project on Assam which will help you in making a project. Okay? So this is your cover page. On the top you have to write art integrated project on Assam. After that you have to write school name Bhuvnesh Bal Vidyalay, then name, class, सेक्शन एंड सबमिटेड टू। सबमिटेड टू किस टीचर को आप ये प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट कर रहे हैं, उस टीचर का नेम आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग, so second thing which you have to write in a page, that is acknowledgement. Okay, here you have to write, I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my teachers. Here you have to write teacher's name as well as our principal. Here you have to write the principal's name who gave me the golden opportunity to do this art integrated project on the state of Assam, which also helped me in doing a lot of research and I came to know about so many new things. I am really thankful to them. Secondly, I would also like to thank my parents and friends who helped me a lot in finalizing this project within the limited time frame. Thank you. Now, welcome to Assam. Here we will know about dance, food, culture, festival of Assam. So let's start. Now, यह आपका हिंदी का प्रोजेक्ट है और इसका टॉपिक है असम के नृत्य। ओके, यहाँ पर नृत्य की परिभाषा दी हुई है, नृत्य भी मानवीय अभिव्यक्तियों का रसमय प्रदर्शन है। अब हम असम के नृत्य के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे, जिसमें सबसे पहले आता है असम के नृत्य। असम की परंपराओं और रीति रिवाजों की सर्वश्रेष्ठ अभिव्यक्ति है। असम के लोक नृत्यों में बिहू नृत्य, बागरुम्बा, भोर नृत्य, ओजापाली नृत्य आदि शामिल हैं। इन नृत्यों में प्रमुख बिहू नृत्य है जो बिहू त्योहार से संबंधित है। नृत्य त्योहार व खुशी के अवसर पर किए जाते हैं। अब हम बात करेंगे बिहू नृत्य। बिहू एक समूह नृत्य है। इस खुशी के नृत्य को पुरुष और महिलाएं साथ साथ करते हैं। नर्तक पारंपरिक रंगीन असमिया परिधान पहनते हैं। इस नृत्य की विशेषता फुर्तीली नृत्य मुद्राएं तथा हाथों की तीव्र गति है। नृत्य के साथ बिहू गीत भी गाया जाता है तथा यह नृत्य पारंपरिक बिहू संगीत के साथ पेश किया जाता है। Now, next is English project and topic is about the staple food of Assam. Here, the tradition and speciality of the land are revealed by its cuisine as it reflects the culture of the land. The staple food easily available ingredients and climate of the area are prime factors that influence the cuisine of a land. Assam, the enchanting state of northeast India, is the perfect tourist destination not only for its lush green natural beauties but also for its delicious cuisine. The cuisine is very different and tasty. Rice and fish are the staple food and are the main ingredients in Assamese cuisine. Less spicy and less oily is the specialty. Rice is a part of all meals and is included in almost all preparations. Rice is eaten in different ways like boiled, roasted, steamed or wrapped in leaves. Different variety of rice is used for preparing various dishes and most widely used varieties are Joha, Indica and Japonica. So this is your science project and topic is types of food. So firstly we will discuss about Assam. Okay, so first one is aloo pitika, carbohydrate rich food. Kutanga, proteins and vitamins rich. Sag and bhaji, protein rich food. Masor tenga, tangy fish curry, protein rich. And paror mangakso, pigeon meat curry, protein rich. Now next one is Rajasthan, dal bati churma, carbohydrate and fats rich. Gatte ki sabji, carbohydrate. Kate sangri and पंचकुटा प्रोटीन्स एंड विटामिन्स, बाजरे का खिचड़ा प्रोटीन रिच, राब मक्की, अनियन एंड दाल कचौड़ी, बाजरे की रोटी एंड लहसुन चटनी, पापड़ की सब्जी. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज GK project and that is related to famous places. Firstly, we will discuss about Assam. Okay, so number 1, Zorat Number 2 Agnigrah, number 3 Rangghar, number 4 Shiv Sagar, number 5 Shiva Dhol, number 6 Hajo, number 7 Majoli Iceland, number 8 Kamakhya Temple, number 9 Kakochung Waterfalls, and number 10 Kaziranga National Park. Now we will discuss about Rajasthan. First one is Amer Fort, second is Hawa Mahal, third is Jantar Mantar, fourth is Nahargarh Fort, fifth is Kumbhalgarh Fort, sixth is Mehnargarh Fort, seventh is Lake Place, eight is Vijay Sthamb, nine is Dilwara Temples, 10 is Mount Abu, 11 is Ajmer Sharif, and 12 is villages farming. Okay, now this is your SST project, and here we will discuss about history of Assam, culture of Assam, language and custom. Okay, so firstly we will discuss about history of Assam. The roots of Assamese culture go back almost 2000 years when the first cultural assimilation took place between Austro-Asiatic and Tibeto-Burman groups. There were those waves of cultural assimilation in Assam. First, it was the Tibeto-Burman ethnic groups that had arrived from Tibet, Yemen, and Sichuan. Then there was a wave of Indo-Aryans from northern India, which brought the Vedic culture and Hinduism into Assam. The last wave of migration was that of the Ahoms. The Ahoms later on brought some more Indo-Aryans like the Assamese Brahmins and Ganaks and Assamese castes to Assam. The Assam was known today was founded by Ahom kings. Okay? Now, culture of Assam. Assam culture is influenced by the Ahom dynasty and the Koch kingdom. The native people of Assam are called Asomia. They are a mixture of Mongoloid, Indo-Burmans, Indo-Iranians and Aryans. The state has a large number of tribes, out of which Boro is the largest tribe in Assam. Next one is language. The people of Assam speak the language Assamese. It is an Indo-Aryan language and is the official language of the state. Custom. Assamese men wear dhoti, gamosa. Dhoti is a piece of garment worn in the lower part of body. Assamese women wear mekhla chador. Okay, so ये आपका language, custom, culture and history थी आपकी असम के बारे में. Now, next one is mass project and topic is symmetry. Firstly, we will discuss about what is symmetry. The definition is the state of having two halves that match each other in size, shape, etc. In other words, one half is the mirror image of other half. Okay, now next thing is line of symmetry. The imaginary line or axis along which you can fold a figure to obtain the symmetrical halves is called a line of symmetry. Now next one is vertical line of symmetry. The axis of the shape which divides the shape into two identical halves vertically is called a vertical line of symmetry. Okay, example, you can see that a lot of pictures I have pasted here. So in this picture you can see that I have draw the line vertically line. Okay, ताकि आप इजीली इसको समझ सकें कि मैंने ये जो भी पिक्चर्स हैं इनको मैंने वर्टिकली टू पार्ट्स में सेम पार्ट्स में मैंने इनको डिवाइड कर दिया है. सो फर्स्टली हम बात करेंगे गोला घर. द गोला घर इज़ अ हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट लोकेटेड इन Joysagar, 4 km from Shivasagar, Assam. The Golaghar was built during the reign of Chakradhwaj Singha. Okay, the next one is Kerang Ghar. Kerang, also known as the Grehgaon place, is located in Grehgaon, 15 km from Shivasagar, Assam. It is one of the grandest example of Ahom architecture. Okay, now third one is Rangghar. The Rangghar is the royal sports pavilion where Ahom kings and nobles were spectators at games like buffalo fights and other sports at Rupali Pathar during the Rangoli Bihu festival in the Ahom capital of Rangpur. Okay, now next one is, this is your certificate and here you have to write, this is certify स्टूडेंट नेम लिखना है, स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास, here you have to mention the class, has successfully completed their project on integrated project on Assam under the guidance of, ब्रैकेट में आपको क्लास टीचर का नेम लिखना है। ओके, सो इस तरीके से आपका ये सर्टिफिकेट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। सो नाउ वी सी द रिकैप ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट। Thank you for watching this video.